It's your boy Umasonic 2016.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 502, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Bristol, Massachusetts, and the following counties in Rhode Island, Bristol, Kent, Newport, Providence, and Washington, and the following marine locations: Vineyard Sound, Buzzards Bay, Rhode Island Sound, Narragansett Bay, Block Island Sound, coastal waters extending out to 25 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket, and coastal waters from Montauk, New York to Martha's Vineyard extending out to 20 nautical miles south of Block Island. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to your weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Heat advisory remains in effect until 5 p.m.
Just as I expected.
this afternoon.